What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. A lot of people talking these fake King Hussle pages getting scammed. Listen, I will never, ever write you saying you want to make some money. Yo, what's up? None of that. All right. So any King Hussle page write you trying to get you to spend some money. That's not me. And before you send your money to anybody, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you pay for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So we're starting the week off right. We're starting the videos off right. And today I'm going to give y'all an opportunity to get a $50,000 second chance bad credit loan. Yes, I said it. Yes, I said it. Second chance bad credit loan. A lot of people need these loans. A lot of people need these opportunities to be successful. A lot of people need opportunities to get some currency, to get some capital so they can invest into their businesses and invest into their brands and invest into their platform, invest into their life. And the only thing that's holding them back from that is getting a loan. Is the credit. Everybody got bad credit. Everybody need help with their credit, which is cool, which is A-okay. So you know how I get down every video. And first thing I tell you guys how to do is clean and build your credit so you'll be able to get approved for these loans, all right? And that's the main goal. Just build your personal credit good enough so when you start your LLC, your business, you can use yourself as a personal guarantor. You won't have to do all that extra work, all right? So first thing you gotta do, all right, my people out there, this your first time on my channel, this your first time watching my videos, I need you to really pay attention. I really need you to understand what's going on because like I said, just because I make these videos and I say, hey, they approving people for bad credit loans, doesn't mean just because you have a bad credit loan, they're going to approve you. You have to have your credit report together. You gotta have your credit profile together, and it has to look good enough for them to see and say you're going to be able to pay that money back. If your credit profile doesn't reflect that you're going to be able to pay however much money loan that you get back, you're not going to get approved. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you get your credit report. All right, and once you get your credit report, make sure that all the information on your credit report is up to date. All right, so make sure your address is up to date, make sure your number is up to date, make sure all the information on your emails, all that good stuff is up to date on your credit report. All right, so once you do that, then you want to go check out and see all the collections that's on your credit report. And like I said, any collection that's 7 years or older is deemed to be expired. All right, so any collection 7 years or older is deemed to be expired. But it's a pro and a con to that. If you are going to clean your credit, dispute accounts, and get them off your credit, you're going to de-age your credit profile. If you're going to leave those accounts on your credit profile and start making payments on them and get it back to exceptional payment, then it's going to leave your profile aged, all right? And a lot of people, depending on their situation, some people leave their profile aged. Some people leave their profile age, some people clean it up and then re-age it, all right? So it just all depends on what you have to do, what you can do, and what situation you're in, financial situation you're in, to be able to take care of your business, all right? So boom. Next thing you need to do, once you find out all the collections that you have on your credit profile, you're going to freeze your credit reports on all 3 credit bureaus. So that's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. I gave you guys a website before on how you can go freeze those. All you gotta do is Google Experian freeze, Equifax freeze, and TransUnion freeze. Google that, and it'll take you to the site where you can freeze your 3 credit reports. All right. Once you freeze your 3 credit reports, then you're going to go back and you're going to dispute all of those collections off your account. If that's the route you want to take, you're going to dispute all those off your account on your credit report. After about 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing fall-offs off your credit report. So once you start seeing those fall-offs, once you start seeing those collections fall off and you start getting points on your credit report, Some people have increase, some people don't have increase on their report. But if you have increase, you can also get those off your report. And I gave you guys the 3 laws that you can use to get to get late payments deleted off your credit report also. So I literally gave you the information how to get the 3 laws to get any late payment off your credit report, how to clean your credit, and how to build it. Right? So boom. So you get late payments off, you get an increase off, and you getting collections off, right? You clean up your credit report, right? Boom. So once you clean it, now you want to get good debt on your credit profile, your credit report, because there's such thing as good debt and bad debt. If you got $100,000 in good debt, you making payments on whatever these loans, credit cards, and all that, that's good. That's a good sign on your credit profile. You got $100,000 in bad debt, you're not making any payments, accounts are delinquent, all that stuff, that's going to be horrible on your profile. Now, listen, a lot of people always come to me and say, man, I got like a 750 credit score. I got like a 700 credit score. Then I ask them, okay, what's the debt? How much debt do you have on your credit profile? Oh, I got like $10,000. Make it make sense, people. Just because you think you got that, or you say you got a 750 or a 700 credit score, doesn't mean you really have that. A lot of people say things just to make it sound good and make themselves feel better. You do not have that. You do not have enough going on in your life to have that. You haven't paid enough bills. You haven't made enough payments on anything, credit cards, in your life to even have that, all right? So always keep that in mind, all right? Those 3.0 Vantage scores on Credit Karma, those do not be accurate, because once you pay for your accurate credit score and you see it might be 50, 100 points off, then it's like, all right, let me get the business. All right, so boom. Once you clean your credit profile, you want to start adding trade lines. And like I told you guys, I go to Credit Strong, you can go to eCredible, you can go to Ava, you can go to Self, you can go to all these different trade line supply, these trade line places, so you can get trade lines to start aging your credit profile and start showing these banks in your credit profile that you have good payment history. And you can get up to $100,000 in payment history on your credit profile. So like I said, you can get Incredible, Ava, any bills, anybody that's out there paying bills. If you're paying bills, you're taking care of your family. I mean, paying rent, paying electricity bill, gas bill, cell phone bills, Hulu, Netflix, Wi-Fi, all that, you can have that reflect onto your credit report. So like I said, credit rent boost. If you want to boost your credit by paying rent from the past 4 years, get that. If you got Hulu, Netflix, HBO Max, any of those streaming platforms, you want to get Ava, eCredible, Self, Credit Strong. Those are the top tier trade line places for you to go to build your credit profile fast and easy at a decent price. Boom. So once it's been about a month and a half, you've been creating your profile, you did everything that I just told you to do. Now it's time for you to go get that loan. And today we're going to be talking about max personal loans, where you can borrow up to $50,000 guaranteed instant approval, quick loan, poor credit, and no credit accepted, flexible and easy loan repayments, fast cash, mostly within 24 hours. All right, same day approvals. And like I said, as long as you take those steps that I told you just now and then go apply for these loans, you will have a better chance, a better odds of getting approved, all right? And make sure you got banking accounts, making sure you got a checking and savings account, all right? Make sure you got your documents in order so you can get approved, all right? So without further ado, let's check out Max Personal Loans and see how I can get up to a $50,000 loan with poor or no credit, all right? Let's check them out. All right, so today we got Max Personal Loans, all right? No credit check loans, guaranteed approval, direct lender. Borrow money online, $2,600 up to $50,000. Guaranteed instant approval, quick loan, poor credit, and no credit accepted. Flexible and easy loan repayments, fast cash, mostly within 24 hours, all right? So, personal loans for people with bad credit made easy. Matter of fact, let me read like this for you. You know what I'm saying? Need better than a payday loan, installment loans, and credit cards even? Get a personal loan. Many borrowers who desire to opt out personal loans have one of the basic moderations. How can I borrow money with bad credit? The best way is to get a bad credit personal loan. Guaranteed approval, no credit check from direct lenders that gives guaranteed and fast personal money solutions online to fit your emergency needs. Moreover, we take into account your ability to repay the loan, balance responsibility, and not your credit scores and how much values you can pledge and to guarantee your personal loans for the people with poor credit. Therefore, personal loans for people with bad credit from us are ideally considered when you need lump sum advance cash, as in payday loans and loans with the flexibility to repay in several monthly payments as an installment loan. All right. So, bad credit loans guarantee approval from direct lenders. Given today's paycheck to paycheck living, maintaining spotless credit history is not possible for a majority of American households. Unfortunately, most of the direct lenders, including banks, credit unions, and online cash loans lenders, do not guarantee approval for personal loans to people dealing with poor credit. Max Personal Loans asks your dependable poor credit loans lender online understands that there is a certain financial emergencies that cannot be planned for. Therefore, without limiting our personal financial solutions only to good credit borrowers, extend our reliable help even to people with bad credit. Max Personal Loans specialize in offering bad credit loans, guaranteed approval, direct lenders, meaning you can get a quick loan over the line platform with no faxing, no verification, no good credit, or non-collateral. Such and bad credit personal loans guarantee instant approval from us is very helpful for poor credit borrowers who desperately want to get a loan with fixed monthly payments. Assure approval in same-day cash. It is easy and speedy to qualify for our no credit check loans, guaranteed approval direct lenders, because we base our credit decision on your ability to repay the cash advance and not your credit history. All right. So go check them out. How to get a personal loan with no credit check up to $50,000. And y'all think I be like, I'm trying to help y'all out. It says it right there. How to get a personal loan with no credit check up to $50,000. Too many. A personal loan simply means non-commercial credit bank from banks or financial institutions. But this is not true. Personal finance can be secured from traditional lenders and online personal loan lenders as well. This usually bad credit personal loans are a great alternative when you need a loan amount larger than online payday loans and installment loans online. However, tightened credit standards are making it difficult to qualify for personal loans. However, if you are denied by a personal loan bank or personal loan stores, do not lose hope. Stop searching. Personal loan places near me. Get started with no credit check loans, guaranteed approval from direct lender. Max Personal Loans is a legitimate online direct lender can get you personal loans, no credit check, no matter what your credit score is. Whatever you need, a small loan or a big loan, you can get an instant cash from $2,600 to $50,000 in 3 simple steps. So the first step is to apply online. Simple, request a loan or bad credit through our online application. This is a free and accessible 24/7 from mobile device, laptop, or tablet. Get quick approval. With no credit checks run, there is absolutely no waiting. Your poor credit personal loan application is reviewed and decision is conveyed immediately. Get direct cash. Once you are approved for this personal loan online, you can have the loan money deposited directly into your bank account just in one day. All right, so your personal loans online are just one click away. Get your financial crisis right today, because getting instant approval personal loans, no credit check from Max Personal Loans is guaranteed no matter what. Apply for easy and affordable bad credit loans, guaranteed approval with monthly payments. No, now to get legitimate, flexible, and fast access to up to $50,000. All right, so Max Personal Loans, go check them out. Go get approved. Go get you up to $50,000. Take the steps that I told you before in the beginning of the video to have a better chance of getting approved. And without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. $50,000 bad credit loan. Yes, I said it. Poor credit, no credit, all of that's accepted. All you gotta do is tap in and have your business together. And like I said, let's run through what I told you guys in the beginning, just in case you missed it, just in case you wanted to skip forward and wanted to get right to the gems. You're gonna get it again. Make sure you got all your information on your credit report up to date. Home address, number, email, all that good stuff like that. Make sure all the old addresses and numbers and stuff like that is deleted off. Clean it up. Boom. Once you do that, then you want to see all the collections on your credit profile. Once you see all the collections on your profile, you're going to freeze your credit profile. TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. You're going to go to all those websites and you're going to freeze your credit profile. Once you freeze your credit profile, you're going to dispute every collection that's on your profile. Once you dispute it, after 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing fall-offs. Once you start seeing fall-offs, you're going to start calling about the inquiries. Once you start calling about the inquiries and get those off, you're going to remove the late payments. I gave you the 3 laws to use to get late payments off your credit report. Once you do that, you're going to go to the sites that I gave you to add those trade lines up to $100,000 in trade line so you can have good debt on your credit profile for them to see and they can see you making good payment history because all the trade lines that you have on the credit profile, the payments for those trade lines will be taken out your bank account every month. So once you pay, it's going to reflect as a exceptional payment, right? So boom, now that you got your payment, your credit together, and you got a bank account, checking and savings account, and you got money going in, more money coming in than is going out, and you got a relationship with your bank, then you're going to go to Max Personal Loans and you're going to apply for a $50,000 loan, all right? As long as you did everything that I told you first, then go apply for this loan, I guarantee you will get approved for, if not 50, somewhere close to $50,000 for that loan. Bad credit, no credit loan, all right? So please stop thinking just because it's a bad credit loan, everybody's going to get approved. Everybody is not going to get approved. And I'm letting you know that now. Make sure your business is in order. Make sure your information, your documents is in order before you go to get approved. So then you won't be like, man, I didn't get approved, because if you don't get approved, I'm going to tell you right here and I'm going to tell you right now, that means they don't trust you enough to even give you no money. Your credit profile doesn't reflect it good enough for them to give you a $50,000 loan, a $10,000 loan, $100,000, whatever. So do what I told you to do and then go try to apply. Make sure you got some money coming in. Make sure you got a relationship with that bank. So when it's time to do all the documents and send it in, you'll be A-okay, all right? So make sure y'all go to tap in with them, the Max Personal Loans, man. Make sure y'all going to get y'all money. Make sure y'all investing your money into the right places. Make sure y'all do whatever you need to do, because it's tax season. People get money, and people get money, and they blowing this money, and they're going to be right back to square one within a couple months, all right? So invest. Come get y'all knowledge. Come get y'all lessons so you can elevate and win in life. All right, it's your boy, King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and new subscribers to the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce, and y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained, all right? So shout out to y'all. Make sure y'all tap it in. I'm still looking for people for the production company. Rappers, actors, content creators, cameraman, producers, all that good stuff, all right? Music reviews is $200. If you ain't got $200 to invest into yourself, why should I invest $200,000 into you? Always remember that before you send me money. Come get y'all lessons. Book your seat right now. FaceTime 101s. Basic lessons, $500. Advanced lessons is $1,000. And limited gems is $2,000. All right? FaceTime 101s. And book your seat right now on the crypto tour to get your in-person limited gem lesson. $4,500 if I got to come out of state to you. $3,500 if you come in-state to me. $500 deposit, the rest of the money will be personal, all right? And I will not respond to DMs if you're not talking about no business, no money, all right? So if you're not trying to get a lesson or you're not trying to get anything that I'm promoting, I will not respond to your DM, all right? So don't yo me in my inbox. Don't do none of that. Please be ready to handle business. Please know what you want. Please have your money together. Make sure your Cash App payment ready when you DM me, or you will not get a response. Point blank, period. This is business, nothing personal. No one's getting anything for free. So stop DMing me on IG with y'all handouts and getting mad when y'all don't get what y'all want, all right? I don't work with everybody. I don't work with everybody's attitude. I only work with people who got that good head on their shoulders and they ready to learn and they ready to work, all right? So take that into consideration before you DM me, and stop getting mad if I don't DM back, because you must not be talking about money. You must not be ready to handle business, all right? So without further ado, y'all tap in. I'll see y'all next video. Peace.